Whether you're a frontline manager, a business executive, even a CEO or an entrepreneur, we all have a responsibility to properly manage our businesses and lead our people. It's somewhere north of 70% that it's about their manager or management, because it starts at the top down in many organizations. It's really three buckets that we're focused on. Number one, it's about people. Having the right people whose purpose aligns with the purpose of your business beyond just making money. The second thing is driving performance of our people, not through motivation, but actually through inspiration. And third, it's about long-term sustainable profits if we get the first two right. That's why I'm launching the P3 video series in conjunction with the P3 podcast, where we're going to focus on the three cores of business that we're all responsible for: people, performance, and the profits of our business.